So I can't win when it comes to trying to car vlog. Anyway, good morning, evening, whenever you're watching. Welcome back to another video. The lighting is horrible, but I'm in fall mode right now. I'm feeling all the fall vibes. And so today's video is going to be our first fall series. So we're en route right now to go find some outdoor fall goodies. I'm gonna do outside first, and I'm still not real sure about the inside because everything is just so under construction. So it's kind of messy, and I don't kind of want to decorate in a messy situation. So we're going to definitely start with outside first. Then we'll figure out our next decorate section of fall at the house. We're going to the at-home store. I'm going to take you inside as well, show you some of what's out for fall in case you have not seen it, or you're like me and you're like, you know what, hey, I can't do fall stuff while it's still hot outside. Well, now it's been, you know, much cooler temperatures morning and night, and it's just giving me all the fall vibes and feels and ooh-ees. So that's what we are about to go do right now. So I will see y'all inside of the store. Hopefully we can find some stuff. I'm not gonna do a whole lot outside, but it's definitely gonna look like fall. You know, it's definitely gonna say fall. So I'm gonna see you guys inside of the at-home store here in just a second. Okay?
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings down. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back?
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
Show ya, wish for me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. 'Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? 'Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. 'Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist 'cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding cover, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. the pieces when you lick it up. Why I go when you said you ain't take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
We go forever now. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now, yeah. Ooh, we go forever now. We go forever now. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, straight E. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. We go forever now. We go forever now. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. We go forever now. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now, yeah. Ooh, we go forever now. We go forever now. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, straight E. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say you can do better, no, won't let her, We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You would say you can do better, You would say you can do better, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You would say